Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to free up the storage on your LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 3 Chromebook. First of all, let's open settings by clicking the clock icon in the bottom right corner, then the gear icon to open settings menu. And then here we're gonna have to scroll down to system preferences on the sidebar, go to storage management, and here you'll be able to see how much of your device's storage is in use and how much is still available. Now to clean up your storage, you can go to each of these menus. Let's start with the browsing data. Now the browsing data is something that has to be cleared quite regularly, so select the browsing data that you want to clean and then delete this data to quickly free up some space on your computer. Then we can also delete some apps that we don't need by going to apps menu, finding the applications that we do not use, selecting them and clicking uninstall. Okay, and this way I just freed up 2 GB of storage. Now let's go back to storage management. We already have plenty. But we can also, for example, you can also delete the Linux development environment if you do not use it by going right here and clicking remove. It will delete your Linux environment, but you can always set it up again. And now lastly, if you don't want to delete anything, just go to your files application. All the files that are stored locally on your computer are located in My Files folder. So the downloads, Linux files and play files. So if you want to, you can simply back them up in Google Drive. Just copy them, cut them from here and paste them to your Google Drive folder if you have space on it. If you don't, you can also use an external SSD that you can connect to your computer using one of the USB 3.2 ports and transfer your data to an external SSD instead of storing it locally on your computer. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.